So for the continuation of the Amazfit SmartWatch, I'm trying to show you how to access the Aura app, the Zepp Zepp Aura app. So this is the app that monitors your sleep, and what it is you can't really use this app unless you subscribe. So there's a 14-day free trial for the Zepp Aura. I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna show you just the process of this. And so if you are a new user of the Amazfit smartwatch, you wanna try the Sleep Aura app. Yes, you will have to pay for it, but they have a 14-day free trial, and if you don't cancel that, it's $39.99 per year. So you can cancel at any time, and right now, because I am using an Android phone, so I am subscribing through my Google Play app, and I'm going to try that 14 days and just make sure to cancel it. So if you're going to try the 14-day trial for the Zepp Aura app, so you can try and see and how the sleep monitor works, just make sure that you are putting a reminder to yourself to go and cancel the app before the 14-day trial. Otherwise, because you have saved your credit card in your Google Play app, it will automatically charge you. So basically, you'll have access to all these features in the Zepp Aura app. You got meditation music, sleep music, or relaxing music. You are able to, like, starting the day you subscribe within that 14 days, if you're just doing trial, you can wear the smartwatch, the Amazfit smartwatch, during sleep, and then the next day you will see some reports on your sleep. So that would be my next video, because I'm gonna start today. Tonight is gonna be day one for that 14-day trial, and just showing you quickly that you do have an option to change the face of your watch if you feel like you want to change it. Some of the watch faces are would cost you some money to change it, but there are a lot of free watch faces. So I'm just gonna quickly show you as well how to change it, just for an update. So I'm trying to change it to that watch face, and it's very easy since I already paired this phone, so it's just gonna sync it, and now I have the new face watch. So again, this is just showing you how to subscribe to Zepp Aura app. And then later on, if you want, you do have another app there that you might need to subscribe. I will check that out, the Zepp Coach for your workout. So it looks like it's just gonna record your movement, but again, this is just for the Zepp Aura